Worldwide, everyone now is focused on the UN elections. And I am happy as a regional leader that comes from Northern Uganda that one of our own, Dr. Ambassador Olara Otunnu, has joined the race to become the next Secretary General of the UN. I want to applaud you, Ambassador, for your heart for community. If the world is to be peaceful, and many people in this world to experience peace, the world should trust you as the next Secretary General of the United Nations. I still reflect your struggles on how you have been here in Uganda trying to rebuild and trying to bring peace and build our broken homes in the northern region of Uganda. Your program of Luo Kit Pajok cannot be forgotten. The level at which you have tried your best, at your personal level, but also as an ambassador, a nationalistic leader, to build the broken families, to change the trend of life in a place that has had war for over 20 years. Your daily sacrifices on food, on border, and sleepless nights to see that families are rebuilt, that the people of Northern Uganda regains their strength, cannot be forgotten. I still remember how you served as the Undersecretary of the United Nations at that time. And now you are able to invent what we call the Olara Otunnu formula, or the Tunu formula of election. That was a sign of unity. It was a sign that you are a person of peace. That straw election formula is one of the best this world can have today. And I'm happy it is a point of reference for the entire UN. And even today, your invention is what you are going to experience during this election process, where leaders are dismissed or encouraged or even dropped in the election, and you are able to actually get out of the race if you feel you are discouraged. That shows your heart of fairness. You have been wanting for so long to serve as the Secretary General of the United Nations. And as a leader of this country, I really wish you the best in this struggle. And if this world wants to experience unity, wants to experience peace, wants to experience harmony through the UN, the world should trust you. Dr. Ambassador Olara Otunnu, you are one of those only kind that this world needs. And to my side, I wish you all the best luck. I know when you get into that throne and you become the next Secretary General, your focus will be peace building, your focus will be rebuilding broken areas. See the war that we have across the world. We have war in Gaza, we have war in DRC Congo, we have war in Africa, we have war all over the world where war is arising up. Your heart and your attitude will help to rebuild them. And as a leader, I want to encourage you that keep it at that spot. I want to encourage the world, a caliber like Dr. Olara Otunnu, who after serving as a Secretary General accepted to become law and serve community and try to rebuild broken communities. He's such a person we can trust with an office of a Secretary General. I wish you good luck, Ambassador, and I pray that God gives you all the success that you desire. I know he is a very prayerful man. In heaven, I will also continue to pray that God gives you all these avenues and every wisdom when this world entrusts you with that office. I beg that all that will participate in the elections of the Secretary General, that the Lord will lead them to vote for you. Thank you very much.